In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in Homebase. Whether you're managing a bustling team or overseeing a smaller crew, crafting an efficient schedule is key to keeping your operations running smoothly. Today, I'll guide you through the essential steps to do just that in Homebase, ensuring your schedule is clear, organized, and tailored to your team's needs. First things first, you'll need to access the Schedule Builder. Start by logging into your Homebase account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Schedule to open the Schedule Builder interface. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be doing most of your scheduling work here. The interface is user-friendly, designed to help you visualize and manage your team's schedule with ease. Now that we're in the Schedule Builder, it's time to set your date range and view options. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll see an option to select the date range for your schedule. Choose the period you need, whether it's a week or longer, based on how far ahead you like to plan. This feature helps you stay organized and gives you a clear time frame to work within. To refine the view even further, take advantage of Homebase's filters. You can choose options like Scheduled Only to streamline what you see and keep your focus on the shifts that are set, eliminating any unnecessary clutter. With your schedule frame in place, let's move on to adding or editing shifts. This is the heart of the scheduling process. To add a shift, click on a specific date or employee row. This opens a pop-up menu where you can customize the details of each shift. Set the start and end times to ensure coverage aligns with your business needs. Assign roles to match your team members with the tasks they're best suited for. You can also select a shift color. This might seem minor, but it's an excellent way to visually organize different types of shifts or highlight different roles. Lastly, if there are specific instructions or notes for a shift, you can attach these too. Shift notes are handy for communicating important information to employees, like additional duties or any changes they need to be aware of. Remember, a well-done schedule not only benefits you, but also helps your team understand their responsibilities and improve overall productivity. By following these steps, you're not just filling in slots, you're creating a plan that optimizes your team's potential. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore Homebase's additional features as you get more comfortable. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy scheduling.